Hey everyone, thanks for joining me here on this video where we're going to talk about recession-proof business ideas. So everyone in the financial industry has been talking about the condition of the global economy. Recently, the yield curve that maps to 2 and the 10-year bonds flipped, which indicates that a recession is coming based on what has happened in the history. The financial crisis of 2009 impacted some of us so harshly, and it's probably still in our memories. Since then, people have been working hard to recreate themselves, re-educate themselves, and reposition themselves so that they can survive. So with all of this fresh in our memories, what can we do to prepare for this upcoming recession? Because according to the experts, it will happen soon. So before we get into these business ideas that are recession proof, I just want to give you a brief glimpse of what the Bible says about it. So if you look at Ecclesiastes chapter 11 verse 2, it says, "Invest in 7 ventures, yes, in 8. You do not know which disasters may come upon you on the land." And basically what this is saying is have 7 or 8 streams of income, because you don't want to have just one, because if a disaster comes upon the land, like a recession, you at least have other streams of income that can make you money. And we all know the story of Joseph from the book of Genesis, where he interpreted Pharaoh's dreams and advised Pharaoh that he should save up grain in the years when they had plenty, because there would be a famine in the land. And when the famine came, then they had enough to live off of, because they invested and they saved grain in the previous years when they had abundance. And finally, 1 Chronicles 12:32, it says, "The sons of Issachar, men who understood the times and knew what Israel should do." So the sons of Issachar knew the times and the seasons and knew exactly what to do. And we need to pray that we know the times and the seasons and what we should do in this time when there might be a recession coming up in 2020. So here's my big idea number 1. So right now you can start your own business while you still have your day job, and have a side business that you only work in the evenings or on the weekends. Now this is important to start while you don't need the extra income, and you have to think of a business that there will still be a need for even if a recession hits. For example, if you start a side business in education or even in healthcare, there will always be a demand for those types of businesses. Here are some examples of businesses that you can start in those areas. So for education, you can become a tutor, where you can tutor kids on the weekends or in the evenings on particular subjects like math or English as a second language. And you can set up a simple 1-page website and use social media to promote your services that you do in the evening and on Saturdays. And the reason why this is recession proof is, regardless of how the economy is going, kids still have to go to school, people still have to learn things in school, and you can be a tutor to help them in the areas where they may be struggling. Now in the healthcare field, it's a bit more difficult to start a business because you need to be qualified. However, you could start a business delivering prescriptions to people who can't leave their house. So in order to do this, you will just need to develop some relationships with people who work in a pharmacy and set up a partnership with them. And you can use your own vehicle and you can deliver the prescriptions. Some people have certain prescriptions that are automatically renewed every month or so, and you can be the person who will deliver those prescriptions directly to their house, so they don't need to leave their house. Some people may not be able to move or be able to drive, but you can bring the prescriptions to them. So these are just examples that you can use to stimulate some other ideas. And think about what types of businesses will still need to happen, or what types of services or products will still need to happen regardless of how the economy goes. So I just want to remind everybody about my 1-month business challenge. So with this 1-month business challenge, I outline the steps you will need to follow in order to start your business right now by putting in 30 minutes a day for 30 days. And by the end of the 30 days, if you follow the checklist, you can have your business up and running and bringing in at least $500 into your pocket. Most people have said that they have made more money after the 30 days, but I guarantee that you'll be making at least $500 extra by the end of 30 days if you follow the checklist. It's a simple to follow checklist that you can just follow and go through the steps. And then by the end of the 30 days, you'll have your business and it'll start to generate revenue for you. And you don't have to work an extra 5 hours or 6 hours every single night, put in as little as 30 minutes a day, and that's it. So that's my 1 month business challenge. The link is in the description. You can click on it, download it, and then you'll have the PDF that you can just simply follow the checklist steps, and then you'll be on your way. So let's get back into my next big idea. Now, my second big idea is you can create an online business. So these are my favorite type of businesses because you can reach people across the entire world with technology. Also, it has the greatest potential to create passive income for you. Now, in order to create an online business, you will want to decide on an area or a niche to focus on, and you'll have to do some research to know what exactly you need to focus on for your business and where to target where there is the greatest opportunities available to you, because you literally have the entire world to choose from to market your online business to. So some examples of an online business that will survive a recession could be something like this. You can actually look at the skills that you use right now during your day job and take one of those specific skills and teach people to do that thing through blog posts, through videos, and through paid courses. And as I mentioned before, you can target different geographical locations across the world using Google and using social media. So therefore, if you live in an area where your skill or that job is not in demand, you can still do research to find out where in the world people are looking to learn about that skill, and you can start teaching it to those people through the internet. So my big idea number 3 is affiliate marketing. So this is my second favorite business idea because it's another form of passive income. Today, just about every company out there has some kind of affiliate program. The strategy for affiliate marketing works very well with any form of social media. So here's how it works. You can go to a company website that you're interested in and see if they have an affiliate program that you can sign up for. Once you sign up for it, you can start to post content online talking about that company's products or services. For example, if you are interested in digital audio workstations or recording software for your computer, an example of this software is this program called Pro Tools. Once you sign up for their affiliate program, you can go online and share videos on YouTube that show people how to use the software. In the description of the video, you will leave a custom affiliate link to their products. Now that link is what they will give you once you set up an affiliate account with them. And if people purchase their products through the link that you provided, then you will get a percentage or a commission of that sale. And that's it. The only hard part of this is that it takes time to build up an audience to your social media profile. And if audio software is not your thing, you can just go onto Amazon and pick a product category that you like. Amazon has one of the more popular affiliate programs out there. Just go onto Amazon, pick a product category that you like, and start to talk and share information about those products online, and leave an affiliate link in the description of your social media post so people can click on it if they want to buy it from Amazon. And again, you will get a commission. So the one thing that I want to mention in all of this is that you should start now. Don't wait until a recession actually hits and something happens to you financially. You should start now while you still have a regular stream of income coming in from maybe your day job. Start now and start to do the groundwork and build up momentum to start your side business. It's better to be ready and to create multiple streams of income now. And regardless of the size of the stream, it's best to start now and have multiple streams. So you can pick one of these examples that I mentioned today, or you can pick all of them. And remember my 1 month business challenge that you can start now also. The link is in the description below where you can download the checklist PDF and you can start today. So be blessed and make something great happen today.